Hello student, today we will do question number 4 and 5 from exercise 5.2 NCERT Math Books class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question number 4. Which term of the AP is 78? Here A is first term is 3, common difference is 5, and An is equal to 78. We have to find N. So formula is An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. An is equal to 78 is equal to A is equal to 3 plus N. We have to find N minus 1 into D. D is equal to 5. So 78 minus 3 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. 75 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. N minus 1 is equal to, this will divide this here, 15, and minus 1 this side come, so they add N is equal to 16. This is answer. Now question number 5. Question number 5.1. Find the number of the terms in each of the following AP. Here first term is 7, common difference is 6, An is equal to given 205. So using this formula we will write 205 is equal to 7 plus N minus 1 into D. D is 6. So 6. Now this will come this side. So subtract. $205 minus 7 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. If we subtract, 198 is equal to N minus 1 into 6. The N minus 1 is equal to, then 6 will divide here. So 6 3 are 18 and 3. So N will 1 will go this side. So N is equal to 34. This is answer. Now see question number 2. Question number 2 is A is equal to 18, D is equal to minus 2.5, minus 2.5, A is equal to 18, D is equal to this. Now D is equal to this. So using this formula, we will write minus 47 is equal to A is equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into D. A is equal to minus 47 D is equal to minus if we'll make this in improper fraction, then it will be minus 5 by 2. This will come this side, so this will subtract minus 47 minus 18 is equal to minus 5 by 2 into n minus 1. We'll add this 65 is equal to minus 5 by 2 n minus 1. Minus minus will be plus, then n minus 1 is equal to 65 into 2 divided by 5. 5, 13 is equal to 13. 26 minus 1 will come this side, so this will be added. N is equal to 27. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.